EDUAs, your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a 10-torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by disconnecting your Dyson SV12 from the charging dock and removing the battery. To do this, locate the battery release button on the back of the unit. Press it firmly and slide the battery out. Next, we will focus on the motor. To access it, you will need to remove the main body of the vacuum. Using your 10-torque screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws located at the base of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious, as there may be some dust and debris inside. Use your soft cloth to clean the internal components, ensuring a dust-free environment for the new motor. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice tailored to your needs. Now, locate the motor assembly. It is typically secured with 2 additional screws. Remove these screws using the 10-torque screwdriver. Carefully lift the motor out of its housing, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Before installing the new motor, it's a good idea to check the connections and ensure they are clean. If you notice any corrosion or dirt, clean it gently with a soft cloth. Once you're satisfied, place the new motor into the housing, aligning it properly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, it's time to reattach the casing. Align the 2 halves and press them together firmly. Replace the screws at the base of the vacuum to secure the casing. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, let's move on to the battery installation. Slide the new battery into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any remaining dust from the exterior. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back into the charging dock and allow it to charge fully before use. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of DIY repairs, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With your new battery and motor installed, your Dyson SV12 should be back to its optimal performance. Enjoy your clean home with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your vacuum is in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.